What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video of the Beats Studio Buds Plus. So, I've had like Beats before. They were like over the hook, but actually, I'm kind of curious to see how these are gonna work out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So it has a box. It has an enhanced app completely, battle for balance, and spatial audio, which AirPods Pro has, and then we have USB-C. I think a lot of people get this because of like the Android, and I mean it's made for, but it works with. So I guess it's tailored towards the uh, Android thing. So I guess they do it like Apple, where they just have this right here, and this is how you basically open it. So upon opening the box, you have it like this. So this is kind of cool. It comes with your basically this is like almost like your AirPods. It has a USB-C to USB-C. It's pretty sweet. It has the Beats. Oh, nice. Oh, you get sticker, which is just like the Air. And what else do you get? The sticker, music. That's kind of cool. And then you have your little fitness. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there you go. So in case the medium don't fit, you get these. So that's pretty awesome. The safety handling and all that. And let's get to the earbuds. Let's see how it. I don't know if it loosens up or something. Do we just tear it off? I don't know. I've never done this one before. Uh, Open lid. I guess it's. Oh, okay. It's literally stuck to this. So, I guess we just rip it off. I don't know. I've never done this before, but this is embarrassing. It looks too good. It's like they want you to tear it off, but I mean, I guess we'll tear it off. I mean, it doesn't have a oh, there it is. I was about to say like I guess this oh, was I supposed to open this? I don't know, man, but yeah, here it is. I guess we gotta cut this off. I don't know. This is the first time. I guess I'll just slide it out. Oh my gosh! It was right here the entire time. That's a little latch. Yeah, I didn't see that. I'm so out of it. So, yeah, we're gonna take a look at this right here, and we're gonna look at this, and here they are. Um, they're low on, or the battery is pretty low, so it looks like they've been sitting for a while. So they look pretty awesome. Um, they're super small. Um, I like the Game Boy Colorish, like the version of it. It reminds me of like Game Boy Colors when or PlayStation controllers, which is pretty sweet. Um, really like the easy portability. I don't think this has wireless charging. Um, but yeah, this is pretty much straight to the point. So does come with this. It does. It is kind of difficult to take it out. That's the only downfall. But that's only good because you need to protect the magnet. And yeah, let's go ahead and connect these and see how they sound because I'm super curious. And I've used the AirPods before, so like I know like the whole concept of this. Beat Studio Buds. I'm gonna connect them. At least one of them. Wow, they connect super easy. So let's give it a shot. Um, I think this is oh, this is to pair. I did not know that. I guess a lot of people don't see this, but I guess this is the pairing process. I've seen like a couple of videos, but they never mentioned that. So okay, so I'm connected. They're pretty much sitting inside. Uh, and it does have bass. Okay. And yeah, it's pretty it's okay. The fit, I feel like they won't like fall anywhere, or they fit pretty good. But overall, it has noise cancellation. Noise cancellation. See how it sounds without noise cancellation. Yeah, you don't like. There's like not a lot of like bass or so. Like pretty much it. But as far as yeah, so overall, these are pretty okay. As an audiophilist, it like they're pretty good. I still think it. They're supposed to be made for bass, and from the looks of it, they're pretty average. I mean, I like the fact that you're able. They sit on your ear pretty good, which that's a bonus because if you usually with headphones, if you open up your mouth or like just go some headphones get loose in your ear and allows you to not like basically uh yeah, or they start to come off, which you start to lose the entire thing of it. So overall, these are pretty good. Um, uh, I like the finish. I wish AirPods were like this, where they would come out. They're really small, so um, basically you can easily lose them. But I mean, based on the translucent color, it looks pretty gorgeous. But other than that, I think these are pretty okay. The bass is there, the vocals, and the noise cancellation. I would, if I were to choose these between this and AirPods, I'd go with the AirPods Pro 2. They have more bass compared to this. Um, Other than that, I think this is pretty much it. If you guys, this is more tailored to people that are working out, so they like this is really beneficial. The only downfall is there's no wireless charging, and well, other than that, I think we're good. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I still think this is so sick. This finish on the case, I love it. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching this. Let me know in your comments below if you prefer this or the AirPods Pro 2. I think the AirPods Pro 2, another ones are coming out, so that's what I'm kind of waiting for. So let me know if you guys want me to review that. And other than that, I feel like I'm gonna play a Game Boy now. So I'll see y'all later. Gonna go play Pokemon Pikachu version Yellow. Aha!